To add photo to a Canva template using phone, I'm going to click on Instagram post to open up a blank new page. Our design is automatically selected, which is where our templates are. Let's quickly search for templates we want to add image to. Once you find the template you like, you want to click on that template. You can come to elements or you can come to your upload. If you want to bring in your images, you can just click on upload files to upload your images, or you can click on gallery here to bring in the images you already have, or you can just come to the elements tab, come over to photos and search the photo you want. So I'm going to tap on this image to drop it into my design. I'm going to click on my own image that is in front of here and just gently slide it into the frame. Double tap on the frame and slide it down to fit in so that their faces can be seen, and click on done. You see, we have the couple beautifully inside the template.